Yeah, he tried he's like, oh, I got a quarter. So we made a sale.
Yay!
That's fast.
The girls seem excited about it.
I know. I hope everything works and is okay with it. Okay, I just got here, which means I have to gear up in order to meet a person and yet some people wonder why I haven't been making videos. I haven't been able to leave the house in 4 months. But this is basically how you buy a gumball machine in Los Angeles during COVID right now. Let me get that for $25. $25 for a gumball machine. I don't think that's too bad. Whew. Can't breathe. Okay. And we have to test out the machine with a quarter. So, see how all this goes. In about a minute, you guys should see me with a gumball machine. I'll be back. It does come with the gumballs. I'm not keeping the gumballs at all because I'm pretty sure, you know, I don't have the history of it. And even if the seller did give me the history, I wouldn't necessarily want to trust it. But see how some of them are cracked right there? So I have to open this one, drill out the lock, clean it up a little bit. The machine itself doesn't look like it needs much paint. So I don't think I'm actually going to paint this one. I have the stand back there. It is a LYPC. You know, I'm still kind of learning which machine is, you know, which. Okay, I think I just opened the lock without having to break into it. That's kind of cool. Wow. That makes my life so much easier. Sanitize. Pull everything off. Whew. Whew. Hi. Having to break the lock and drill it out, and never mind. Better deal. But let's go home now. Maybe I'll show you guys how I'm going to set it up. I'm up to 5 machines now, but it looks like Los Angeles is going to go back into lockdown. We're going a little bit backwards. This is what I was just hearing on the radio right now. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, I could still place my machines with the locator, make my life easier. But then it's like, I may not see my machines for a couple of months, which is fine. I don't have to see my machines very often, but then it's kind of like, are they even gonna make money? Oh, squirrel. Are they even gonna make money? Yeah, gumballs last for like a year. And it should be okay. I mean, they're making no money in the house. It's a lot to think about. And the guy that sold it to me right now said that the restaurant that he had it in, they're shutting down, so he had to take his machine out because the owners didn't want it anymore, and they weren't sure that they were going to reopen, so they didn't want to take like liability for it or anything. And I told him, I was like, yeah, I'm kind of afraid of that too. And kind of sucks that he lost the location though, because it's like, that might happen to me too. Might lose a location. Day 3,452 in quarantine. As you saw in the beginning of the video, we went to 3 locations and we dropped off 3 gumball machines in 2 Valvolines and 1 Jiffy Lube store. I was able to get those through a locator, and it was super easy. I went and hired Rodney. I found him through Facebook. You can, you know, Google any locators and things like that. There's a lot of them. But I personally went with Rodney. And he told me that I have to join a charity, gave me a list of different charities that I can join, which made it super easy as well. I personally went and joined Missing Children, spoke to Missing Children, got all the paperwork signed with them. The agreement that I have with them is about $1 a month per machine, regardless of, you know, if I have 5 machines, then it's $5 a month. If I have 10 machines, $10 a month, things like that. Once I got all the paperwork with the charity and I signed all the agreements with Rodney, I sent everything over to him. He asked me for a couple of zip codes and asked me if the automotive, you know, tire shops and things like that were okay, because restaurants in my area are kind of all closed due to quarantine. But yeah, go for it. Let's do automotive. Anything that is open right now is good for business, right? So about 3 days later, bam, I got an email. He sent me 3 locations with addresses, phone numbers, the hours of what time they're open, the managers who approved it. It was so thorough. I felt so comfortable going into these shops thinking like, I know my stuff. I went into the machines. I went into the shops and I had no problems dropping off my machines there. Every manager knew what I was talking about. It wasn't like a surprise, like, oh, who are you? So it was very easy, very comforting, and once I placed my machines, I paid Rodney, which is one tip that I will tell you, I guess, is don't pay up front for your locations. Definitely pay afterwards, because it's a little bit more peace of mind and it's a little safer, because you don't want someone just running off with your money and not giving you a location, right? And yeah, with that said, you guys, I hope you liked the video. I did a little bit of a new trial with the intro, I guess, and give a like, subscribe, everything that those YouTubers say, and with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.